Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm really sorry if you're hearing some echo or buzzing noise into the video. That's because of my mic, so nothing to worry about. So today's I'm going to explain you how you can manage or arrange your inbox for certain emails. Okay, so I'm going to show you this for the Gmail services, which has been powered by Google. It's a Google Mail service. So let's get started. So first of all, what we're gonna do, I'm going to show you like how we can arrange the certain emails that we are receiving from different companies. Okay, so like for example, if I select this one, the nice hash, so what I have to do, I have to simply select the email address from which I'm receiving the email. Okay, so one moment, simply just paste it over here, click on enter. So now as you can see, I have like almost 42 emails from this particular company. Alright, so what I have to do is start simply click on this down arrow, and I have to create a filter. Okay, so simply when I click on the creating the filter, now it's up to me how I have to mark all these emails. Okay, so like for example, I want it's an important email to me, so I will click on the star. Okay, I will select never send it to spam because I know it's not a spam email. Third one, always mark it as an important for me because I want it to be seen, these emails. Okay, I want it to be known that these are important emails. I knew that, so I will select that option. Now what I will do, I will click on new label. Okay, the label is something, it is called a name of a specific folder. So for example, I will do it CRYPTO, crypto label. If I think it's a spelling mistake, then no, it's perfectly fine. Label is also perfectly fine. Perfect. Then what I will do, I just simply click on this blue button which says create. So now my label has been created and applied. What I have to do, I have to click on the last option as well, which says also apply filter to 33 matching conversations, which means that there are more than 30 emails from the same company. And I will to click on this blue button which says create filter. So my filter has been applied. Now you can see when I scroll it down from here, you can see crypto label. Once I click on it, you can see all my emails are at one place, everything from this particular email address. Now let's make it a little bit colorful. What I will do, as you see the three dots over here, simply click on it, label color, and I will select any color like if I want. So let's see if I go for the yellow one. Now you see the crypto label itself, it appears into the yellow color. Plus, as I had marked it as a star, so now it is important for me, and every time I will receive a new email from this particular email or from this company, all I have to do, I don't have to go to the inbox and look one by one for this email. All I have to do, simply once I log into my Gmail account, I have to simply go to this folder, and every single new email or the old email I have from this particular company, it will be there without any hassle. So you can separate all the emails. Like for example, let me show you one more example. Like for example, this one, government jobs. If I click on it, all I have to do, simply just one moment, simply select this particular email, paste it over here, click on enter. Now click on this drop down menu and create a filter. Okay, so I want it marked as red, do not star it, it's not important for me. I have to create a new label, GOV jobs. You can select any name you want. Okay, and I want it to never mark as important because these emails are not important for me as for now. Then I have to click I will select this one because I have like already 13 emails matching these conversations. 13 emails, as you can see over here as well, 1 to 13. It would be 1 to 3000, 1 to 300, or 1 to 3. Okay, so how many emails you have, it will show over here. Now let's create filter. Okay, so now like the previously we done with the crypto label, we have to just simply click on it to check whether the filter has been created properly or not. So you see all 13 emails are here. Simply again I will go on to these three dots, label color, and I will select any color I would like for example this green one. So now you see that these the label I created, the government jobs, it is showing me into the green color, right? So now you can see that all the emails that I will receive from that particular email, it will flow directly, it will just simply transfer to the government jobs. So now I don't have to go to the inbox and I have to search one by one, but if I go to the inbox, you can see it is showing me over here, right? Every email you created as a label, you create a filter, it will shows into your inbox, but as the color I had selected, as if I had started or not, it will shows over here. So like for example that government job, I created the label over here, it is showing me into my inbox that yes, you are having like 13 emails over here, but they has been marked as green in color. So it would be very easy for me to understand that yes, this email is from the government job filter or the label. Alright, so same as with the nice hash, the crypto label I just created in the yellow color, it shows me over here, and as you can see I had started. Now you can see that this email from the job portal naukri.com. Alright, so now you can see it has been started because I had already created a filter. I did not apply anything, I did not apply the new filter, did not create any filter for that, any label for that. I just simply marked it start because I just wanted to be there in my inbox and I can see that it is an important email for me. That's it. So this is the procedure, guys. This is how you secure your email. This is how it works. So if you have any further questions, if you want this video in Hindi, let me know. 2 घंटे में बना के वीडियो अपलोड कर दूंगा, जितनी नॉलेज चाहिए मैं हूँ देने के लिए. So if you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you feel about this video. If you want something new or something different topic, let me know. I'll be there. Thank you so much for watching this video.